Howdy, howdy, howdy everyone. We are on our way to P.Terry's for lunch. We wanted to show you guys a Austin burger stand that is different than others, but we are stuck here in traffic. As you can see, that train is moving ever so slowly. P.Terry's is different. It's a different burger stand. Their burgers are supposed to be healthier. They're made with all natural beef, fresh cut fries, all kinds of yummy, delicious, healthier options. And this particular burger stand has been around since 2005, and they now have 28 burger stands in the Austin and San Antonio area, most of them being in Austin. And the one that we're going to is here in Kyle, Texas, and it's only been open for, I don't know, about a month. It's the newest in its line of burger stands. So we're going to check it out. We're going to show you guys P.Terry's. They're not everywhere. There's only, like I said, they're only in Austin and San Antonio. So let's head over. Alrighty, y'all. After a 25-minute wait at that train crossing, we have made it to P.Terry's burger stands. See, that's Interstate 35 right there. Here's your menu. Again, this is supposed to be like a healthier type hamburger. You can see they got the hamburger, all natural beef Angus, tomato lettuce special sauce, cheeseburger, double cheeseburger, chicken burger, grilled or crispy. Then your veggie burger. They got french fries, oatmeal cookies, banana bread. You don't find that at McDonald's. And then for breakfast, they got an egg burger with cheese, bacon and sausage, breakfast potatoes. And then they got orange juice, freshly squeezed, which I think I'm gonna get. And you can see everything is organic. Even the french fries are cut fresh. You see they got the banana nut bread here and the fresh made cookies. Look how yummy they look. And the grill is all open, so you can see what everyone's doing. Kind of cool. And all of their drinks are Coke products. Got your Hawaiian Punch there too, which is different. They got Diet Coke. And they got unsweet tea over here. The burgers here are not the biggest burgers. Like, they're not like a Whataburger or a Burger King burger or anything like that. They're tiny burgers. So getting more than one if you're really hungry is probably a good thing to do. This dining area is brand new. Very clean in here. Kind of cold today, so it's chilly. You can see over there we got some bar seating that you can sit at. Probably do some work there would be nice. And then over here we got some just tables, and then we got outdoor seating too. Not good today, but when it's nice and cool out or nice and warm out, it would be nice to sit out there. Gabby has prepped her ketchups. She's ready to go. Dip them fries in them bad boys, right, Gabby?
Yeah.
Alrighty, y'all, here is the burgers. You can see that they are not the biggest. Let me put my wallet next to them so you can get a view. My wallet is actually bigger than the burgers are. So just be aware of that. And then the amount of fries they give you is not that much either. They are shoestring fries though, which is favorable to me. So this burger is just gooey with cheese coming out of it sideways. Inside it we have our lettuce. They got extra tomato, and it's their special sauce. You can see there is two patties there, both very thin patties, not like your quarter pounder with cheese, more like your Whataburger patties. The burger is really good. I really like it's like greasy. I don't know if this is possible. It's a healthy greasy. You can tell everything's natural. Bud's nice and warm. Cheese is delicious. Special sauce is really slight. It reminds me of
Got some pickles in there?
yeah, it reminds me of Big Mac sauce, almost like Thousand Island dressing, except it's very light, very soft taste. What?
It's a little bit tangy.
Yeah, it got a little bit of tang to it, but not like if you took like Wishbone Thousand Island dressing and you tasted that. But it's good. It's good. So here's my chicken sandwich. It has all the same stuff on that my hamburger has, except it's got that round chicken patty there. It actually looks at the bottom of the bun, but that's actually a chicken patty. That's really interesting, and it looks like it's got like either a Swiss or mozzarella cheese on it. But yeah, it's got all the same stuff. Got tomato. Actually got pickle on there underneath there. My hamburger does not have pickle. See the inside of my turkey or chicken burger there. I would say that it's kind of bland. I probably would put mustard in there next time as opposed to the mayo, because chicken has a really flat taste, not very flavorful, but still good. I mean, I would probably rate it a B. It has no spice in it, so I'm used to like Popeye spicy chicken, and even Chick-fil-A has a spicy grilled chicken sandwich now. I would definitely say that those are better than this one. The round chicken patty also gives it a processed feel, which I don't like that. When you get a chicken sandwich from like Popeyes or Chick-fil-A especially, the grilled chicken it's like an actual piece of chicken, like chicken breast. It doesn't look like it's processed. This one, that round patty, man, it makes me think that it's processed. So the fries are a little bit different texture. They're not crispy. They're more, did you say they're crispy, Gabby?
Not crispy, but they're something.
Yeah, I don't want to say soggy because that's too harsh.
They're not soggy because they're solid.
But they're just
not squishy.
They're not crispy. Let's just put it like that. But they're pretty good though. I mean, they're
not a amount of salt on them.
Yeah, that's the thing is salt. I think everything, again, it's supposed to be healthier type fast food, so yeah, so they're not going to throw a bunch of salt on stuff. But yeah, you did it with the sauce or the ketchup, you get some flavor out of them. So this is a pretty cool place. Like I said, it started out as a little burger stand in Austin, and it has grown into this pretty prominent burger chain here throughout Austin and San Antonio. So if you're driving through here, I would definitely recommend trying it. Again, it's a healthier option when you're on long road trips and stuff. Sometimes it's hard to get any healthy foods like fast food. So this would definitely be, I can tell you, it's definitely healthier than like McDonald's or Burger King or even Five Guys. And the burger's not bad. I mean, it's organic, and you can tell it has a different flavor, different texture to it, but it's still really good. So I would definitely recommend coming here. Let's say the burger is better than the chicken sandwich. I'd give the burger probably a B. Or
they have a crispy
3 stars. This thing, they do have a crispy chicken sandwich.
It might be better.
Yeah, it might be. But I'd give the burger like 4 stars or 3 stars, and I would give the chicken sandwich 2 stars. Again, it has a very processed feel, which I'm kind of surprised about. It's considering it's supposed to be healthier foods. See, the drive-through line is pretty busy there. They do drive through here a little bit different too. They actually have two lines, but both of the lines have their own person that is actually taking your money, as opposed to driving you into one line. They actually have 2, and they take your money and give you orders through those 2 lines. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, for the price, not bad at all. You can see it was only $19.16 for a very filling lunch. My double cheeseburger was $4.35, and my grilled chicken was $4.45. And Gabby's cheeseburger was $3.05, and she got the combo, which I think it ended up being about $7, $8. So not bad at all. So they have an egg burger here, and I think the egg is actually not really a burger. It looks like it's just, you can get it with sausage or bacon, so not ground beef. And then they have your cut potatoes, your chopped potatoes, or however you want to call them. So there you have it. It was a good lunch. I would give P.Terry's 3 stars. Would definitely come back here again. Food was very good. The place is very clean. Obviously, it's brand new. It's the latest store that's been opened in their chain. So, but all in all, very good meal. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. You know we love you guys. Live problem free. We'll see you next time. Bye.